Hi guys! The draft feature on Instagram allows you to save an unfinished post or story and come back to it later to complete and publish it. This is very useful if you are creating a post or story and need to take a break, or if you want to create several drafts and choose the best one to publish. To save a draft of a post on Instagram, just open your Instagram application. And in here, you can see now the homepage of Instagram. Now tap the plus sign at the bottom center here and you can create a photo or upload a photo on Instagram. So in here, I'm gonna make a story. Now, if you don't want to publish this picture for a while, you just tap the back icon and here you can see now the save draft option on Instagram. So it's important to note that saved drafts are only stored on the device you created them on and will be deleted if you uninstall and reinstall the app or log out of your account on Instagram. So we're gonna save it and tap the icon album at the bottom left and tap the drops. So you can see now the drops of your Instagram account. So you can edit and publish them. And also you can delete them by tapping on to them in here, then go back to the icon and you can tap delete drafts. So tap delete and your Instagram picture on drafts are deleted. But if you want to recover deleted drafts of Instagram story, unfortunately, once you delete a draft of a Instagram story, there is no proper way to recover it on Instagram. Instagram does not save drafts once they have been deleted. But if you do really want to recover deleted drafts of Instagram, here's what you're going to do. So open your Instagram application and then tap your profile at the bottom right corner. And in here, tap the three lines at the upper right corner and then tap settings. In the search bar, search download your information and then tap on it and then enter your email account where your files, your photos, comments, including your drafts may collect and send it to you. It is a 50% chance to recover your deleted drafts on Instagram, but it is a powerful tool also to recover those drafts on Instagram. So that's how to recover deleted drafts of Instagram story. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.